Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around us? What are the building blocks of the universe? The answer lies in the tiny particles we call atoms. An atom is characterized by its atomic number, represented by the symbol Z. This indicates the number of protons within the atom's nucleus. The number of protons in an atom is equal to the number of electrons, thanks to the electric neutrality of the atom. Therefore, in a neutral atom, the number of electrons, which carry a negative charge, equals the number of protons, which carry a positive charge. To determine the number of neutrons, represented by N, in a neutral atom, one can use the following formula. N equals A minus Z, where A represents the atomic mass number of the atom, the sum of the number of protons, Z, and the number of neutrons, N, in the nucleus. In summary, the number of protons, Z, represents the atomic number, the number of protons in the nucleus, the number of electrons equals the number of protons in a neutral atom, the number of neutrons, N, can be calculated by subtracting the number of protons from the atomic mass number, A. It is important to note that isotopes of an element have the same number of protons, the same Z, but a different number of neutrons, different N, leading to different atomic masses. Some common atoms and their atomic numbers, the number of electrons in a neutral atom, and the number of neutrons for the most common stable isotopes include hydrogen, helium, carbon, oxygen, and iron. The number of neutrons can vary according to the specific isotopes of each element. Atomic energy is generally measured in electron volts, represented by eV, mega-electron volts, MeV, or joules, J, depending on the context and the energy scale used. There are conversion relations between these units. 1 electron volt equals 1.602176634 times 10 to the power of negative 19 joules. 1 mega electron volt equals 1 million electron volts, or 1.602176634 times 10 to the power of negative 13 joules. To convert atomic energy measured in mega electron volts to joules, one can use the above relation. For instance, if one has an atomic energy of 2 MeV, that equals 2 times 1.602176634 times 10 to the power of negative 13 joules. The electron volt and the mega electron volt are commonly used in the field of particle physics and nuclear medicine to describe the energy of subatomic particles and ionizing radiations. The joule is the international system of units unit for energy and is used more widely in other contexts. In conclusion, atoms are the fundamental building blocks of the universe, composed of protons, electrons, and neutrons. The number and arrangement of these particles determine the properties of an atom and consequently the properties of the universe.